Hello friends, this is Rasdeep. Welcome to Learning Insight for UGC NET JRF Paper 2 Social Work. डिस्कस करेंगे सोशल वर्क एजुकेशन इन इंडिया एंड डेफिनेशन ऑफ सोशल वर्क एंड गोल्स ऑफ सोशल वर्क. This is our video number 8, and if you have not seen my earlier videos, then please go to my playlist, watch these videos. Definitely you will be benefited. Let's start for this class. Okay, so social work education in India, that is social work education in India started by the house of Tatas, that is Sir Dorabji Tata Graduate School of Social Work in the year 1936. So that we all know was the first institute started imparting specialized professional training in social work. Now this school of social work is known as Tata Institute of Social Science, that is TISS, Mumbai. In the beginning, Tata Graduate School of Social Work used to award a postgraduate diploma in social service administration. Remember, in the beginning time they were awarded a postgraduate diploma, not master's, postgraduate diploma in social administrations, and later the school got recognition by the University Grant Commission, that is UGC, in the year that is 1964. So after that they started offering the master's course in social work. Subsequently, the diploma in the social master's course in TISS. Social work, Mahatma Gandhi established in the year was established in the year 19. Rai Nagar, Rajasthan. Yeah, 1967. So and nowadays number of private institutes also offering that social degree, and both UGC norm. Definition, global definition of social. We know that the following definition was approved by the IFSW General Meeting and IASSW General Assembly in July 2014. Remember, this is the most latest definition of social work, and this definition was given by both and it was approved by both also, that was IFSW and IASSW. Remember, sometimes they ask in which year that is this definition was given, that is in July 2014. And what is the full form of IFSW? That is International Federation of Social Workers, and IASSW is International Association of School of Social Work, and this abbreviation is also very important. Now what is the global definition of social work given by both bodies? these two bodies has given the definition, and this definition is most important in concern for NET JRF exam, because sometimes they just take one line or just take one line and made different type of questions from this definition also. If you see the previous year question, you will find the number of questions they made from the definition only. So let's read the definition. That social work is a practice based profession and academic discipline. Means practice based professions means that have a field work, and academic discipline means that have social work institutions where we train for theories. Okay, we have classes for theories that promote social change, development, social cohesion and empowerment and the liberation of people. So what they promote? That promote these things: social change, development, social cohesion, empowerment and liberation of people. Now what is the principle of social work? That is principle of social justice, human right, collective responsibilities and respect for diversities are central to social work. So according to this definition, these are the main core principle of social work, underpinned by theories of social work, social sciences. So what are the theories available for social work according to this definition? This definition says that by the theories of social work, so whatever theories of social work we have, as well as what are the theory applicable to social work from social sciences, humanities and indigenous knowledge, social work engage people and structure. So what they do? Social worker engage people and their structure to address life challenges and enhance well-being. So for addressing the life challenges and to promote well-being, this is the whole definition of that given by the both IFSW and IASSW. So the main motto of this profession is to address life challenges and to promote and enhance well-being. Now what is the goal of social work educations? So the education of social work should address itself toward the following goals. So first one, the goal: organization of teaching and practical experience. So we should both have teaching and practical experiences, development and dissemination of scientific knowledge, okay, deepening of understanding, acquisition of skills and inculcation of a perspective, promotion of close collaboration among different disciplines for a better understanding, and fifth one, that is ensure better integration between scientific social theory and practice, okay, and last one, that is development of position attitudes, values, professional leadership and social commitment and holistic approach. So the last one says the professional attitude should be develop professional values, professional leadership and social commitment and holistic approach should be in our focus for social welfare. Now there are many goals of social work, but this was the mainly most focus goals of social work education. Okay, this is all about. Hopefully आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रहा होगा, and if yes then please do like, share, subscribe, and you can also join my Telegram channel for all videos, test paper tips and suggestions. Join my Google Classroom for complete study material. Join Facebook page for Learning Insight for UGC NET JRF.